stuff. Thanks so much for sharing this morning.
So the question is tied into this special segment we've been doing all morning long. This was Marianne's brainchild.
Yes. So this Throwback Thursday, we've been checking out the early days of our TV careers from good to bad. Now, she may be our newest anchor and member of our Good Day family, but she's been doing it for years. So this is Miss Bethany Crouch, right?
Oh, boy.
Oh, boy. Okay.
In a couple of hours, they're expecting to get about $5,000 for this little guy. Maybe he'll wake up.
And as for our girls from Palos Verdes, well, they're ready to kick off their careers in science. The Dr. Sally Ride Science Club has been a success.
The school district is not giving up. Their bond came within 145 votes of passing, and now they're hoping to give voters another shot.
Costa Mesa police carry out a sting operation to cut down on prostitution.
That is the fifth graders at New Catalina holding an art auction to raise money for homeless families at Harbor Interfaith Shelter in San Pedro. And we all know that we should be prepared for the day that disaster strikes. But how many of us still don't have the earthquake kit ready or smoke detectors outside the sleeping area in the house?
Hard-hitting journalist.
So serious. I'm not laughing because we haven't seen mine yet, and I'm so scared.
What was KCOX? Where's that?
Yeah.
Wait a minute, that's down in Orange County.
KCOX Channel 12 in Palos Verdes. It was my internship in college.
Nice.
I would drive there 2 hours to intern.
That's how badly you want to do this.
Do what you got to do. Make it happen. Nicely done. Thanks so much for sharing. All right, more.
You two are next.
I know.
We are.
Okay.
All right, so this next event is giving you a chance to take a trip back in time and live like the pioneers.
Hey, Crystal Rich joins us live from